Good morning, students. Today I am discuss about the topic of carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds, it is aldehyde and ketones. The carbonyl compounds, the general formula of the carbonyl compounds. General formula of carbonyl compounds CO, and that is CO. And the carbonyl compounds is two homologous series. Carbonyl compounds, it is the two homologous series. First is aldehyde and second is ketone. Two homologous series, aldehyde and ketone. General formula of aldehyde is CHO and general formula of ketone RCO. It is the aldehydic group and it is the ketonic group. Firstly, I am discuss about the aldehyde. General formula of aldehyde is CnH2n plus 1 CHO. General formula of aldehyde is CnH2n plus 1 and CHO. ये पूरा completely है जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ एल्डिहाइड. इसे हम डिनोटेड बाय RCHO. RCHO it is the general formula of the aldehyde. Aldehyde contains monovalent carbonyl compounds या monovalent carbonyl groups. Aldehyde CO, monovalent carbonyl groups, one valency of carbons, the carbonyl groups satisfied by the hydrogen, and second valency of the carbonyl group is satisfied the R is the alkyl group. One valency satisfied the hydrogen and second valency is satisfied the R. It is the monovalent. And except of the formaldehyde, because formaldehyde is the both are valency. Formaldehyde is the both are valencies are the satisfied by the hydrogen atoms. It is the formaldehyde HCHO. It is the formaldehyde. In the formaldehyde, both are valencies satisfied by the two hydrogens, one hydrogen it is, and that is the one hydrogen. And except of the formaldehyde, aldehyde valency is the one valency satisfied by the hydrogen and the second valency is satisfied by the alkyl group. Alkyl group is the R. Alkyl group is the R. R is equal to CH3 or C2H5. R is the CH3 and C2H5. Aldehyde are also considered the first oxidation product of the primary alcohols. Then aldehyde is the first oxidation product of the primary alcohol CH2OH, and oxidation of the primary alcohols, it is the primary alcohol oxidation, and then form the aldehyde group RCHO and remove H2 and oxygen. H2 and oxygen combine to form the H2O molecules. It is the aldehyde. First member of aldehyde, formaldehyde, and the general formula of aldehyde, the RCHO. It is the aldehyde. General formula of aldehyde is C carbonyl group. It is R, H and H. It is the aldehyde group, and then C double bond O and R. first valence is complete of the alkyl group and second valence is complete with the hydrogen group. And first examples are first valence is complete in the hydrogen and second valence is complete with the hydrogen. That means both valency of the carbonyl group is complete या satisfied with the hydrogen and second groups second carbon compounds first valency is satisfied the carbon means alkyl group and second valency is satisfied by the hydrogen. Main examples HCHO and second is the CH3 alkyl group the CH3 and H and C double bond O. And next example is the C2H5 alkyl group is the C2H5. First valency completed the alkyl group is the C2H5 and second valency is completed with the hydrogen and carbon double bond oxygen. This is the third member of the aldehyde group. And next is the ketones. Ketone general formula is the R C O and R and R C O R. इसको आप इस तरह से नोट कर सकते हैं R R C O या R C O R. ये बेटा and carbon ketone is the bivalent carbonyl compounds. Ketone is the bivalent carbonyl compounds. First valence is complete with the alkyl groups and second valence is complete with the alkyl groups. That is both are valency is complete with the alkyl groups. And the first member is the CH3CO and CH3 and इसे हम इस तरह नोट कर सकते हैं C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3 and CH3 and CO. It is the acetones. And ketones are considered first oxidation product of the secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols, that means R, C, H, O, H and R. It is the secondary alcohols. That means express is the secondary alcohols is the R, C, H, O, H. And oxidation of the secondary alcohols to form the acetone. Acetone oxidation and R C double bond O and remove the byproduct the H2O. Then oxidation of the secondary alcohol and remove the H2O molecules and form the acetone means ketonic group R C O. Acetone is the ketone is the bivalent organic compounds and complete the both valencies show the satisfied the both valencies are the R alkyl groups. इससे बड़ा हम ऊपर लिखेंगे R C H O H oxidation देंगे इसे oxidation and remove the C R C O and H2O. And the first member of the acetone is the CH3 C double bond O. CH3CO CH3. Clear beta? On the basis of nature of alkyl groups attached to the carbonyl groups, ketone are the following of the two types. Means ketones are following of the two types. किस बेस पे क्लासिफाइड किया गया? अटैच द एल्किल ग्रुप ऑफ द कार्बोनिल ग्रुप्स, कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स. अब देखिए फर्स्ट द सिंपल और सिमेट्रिकल कीटोन. सिंपल कीटोन्स और सिमेट्रिकल कीटोन्स जनरल फॉर्मूला है R C O. सिमेट्रिकल इससे बड़ा फर्स्ट कंपाउंड हो जाएगा आपका CH3 C double bond O. It is the symmetrical या simple ketones and second is the mixed ketones or unsymmetrical ketones. सेकंड इज द मिक्स्ड कीटोन्स और अनसिमेट्रिकल कीटोन्स. Unsymmetrical ketones means R general formula R C double bond O and R dash. Both are alkyl groups is the same. It is called the simple or symmetrical ketones, and both are alkyl groups are different. R and R dash. It is the CH3 C double bond O and C2H5. It is the mixed ketones or unsymmetrical ketones. क्लियर बेटा. यहाँ पर इसका एग्जांपल क्या हो जाता है बेटा, CH3 यहाँ पर CH3 और CO हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पर CH3 C2H5 CO. इसे बोलेंगे बेटा सिंपल कीटोन्स बोलेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पर दोनों ही एल्किल ग्रुप सेम लगे हुए हैं R एंड R, CH3 एंड CH3. और बेटा यहाँ पे देखेंगे हम R और R डैश दोनों में से जो एल्किल ग्रुप अटैच है वो दोनों ही एल्किल ग्रुप डिफरेंट अटैच है. यहाँ पर देखिए CH3 है, CH3 बेटा यहाँ पर है, और दूसरा कंपाउंड कौन सा ग्रुप अटैच है बेटा C2H5. इस तरह से इसे बोलेंगे अनसिमेट्रिकल और इसे बोलेंगे सिमेट्रिकल कीटोन्स. सिमेट्रिकल बेटा क्या होता है, अगर इसको कंबाइन किया दोनों तरफ में, दोनों पार्ट में इक्वल नंबर ऑफ एल्किल ग्रुप अटैच है, सेम नंबर ऑफ सेम एल्किल ग्रुप अटैच है, और यहाँ पर क्या बेटा डिफरेंट एल्किल ग्रुप अटैच है, इसलिए इसका नाम हो जाएगा मिक्स्ड कीटोन्स, अनसिमेट्रिकल कीटोन्स, और बेटा इसे हो जाएगा सिंपल कीटोन्स हो जाता है. क्लियर बेटा.